आनी आतां खबरो विस्तारान. सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यांक कामा प्रमाण बढती दिवपाच्या मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या प्रस्तावाचेर काँग्रेसीन टिका केल्या. मुखेलमंत्र्यान हो प्रस्ताव लागू करच्या पयलीं मंत्र्यांचे प्रगती पुस्तक जाहीर करचें म्हण काँग्रेसीचे म्हणण्यारे ट्रजानो डिमेलोन मागणी केल्या. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
आली एक स्टेटमेंट केलो. Promotions of government employees will be performance based and not on seniority. आता performance based and not on seniority what statement is bound to demoralize the and shatter the confidence of honest, hard-working and efficient employees. जी कोण प्रामाणिकपणान काम करता, who are efficient, are totally going to be demoralized because performance is going to be judged by the immediate senior. जोरी तर आमचो मुख्यमंत्री प्रामाणिक आसा, if he is honest in his intentions, he may be having a very honest intention, then he has to promote Iowa Fernandez, who by her actions and her fearless working on the field. But I demand from this chief minister who talks of performance to give out a report card of his first. Let it start from his cabinet. Now what will be his performance level? What will be the benchmark?